So today we will make tea. This is the tea kanin. Ito yung kanyang jar. And this is the tea. How to make tea. And this is inside of this. This is inside the tea. So now let's see which one. Okay, we will try this, guys. We will try this, no? Other one does. Other one does. Flower tea. So let's see. This is purple. Purple sheer. Okay. Nasin aufmachen. Open. Das ist das. Look at that, guys. We put here. We will put that. So, and then hot water. Ayan. Sana tama yung ginawa ko. Let's see. We must wait 5 minutes, guys. Lalaglag yata. Na mga langga. Become flower na siya. Ayan o. Oh. Become flower na. At that, guys. Oh. Look.